Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Leo. Let's see what's happening in their love life in the month of September. I am going to start off with a general reading like your finances, career, whatever I'll see I'll tell you. And after that I'll proceed with the love reading, full-fledged love reading. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and yeah, let's see. It's a general love reading guys, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. Let's start with your reading. What's happening for Leo in the love life in the month of September? What's happening for Leo? What's happening for Leo? First, I'll start with the general reading. A very short glimpse of what's going to happen for you in the month of September in the general life. Okay. The first card is the Emperor. You might be dealing with an Aries specifically. The next card is the Five of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Four of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Princess of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And the World card. Wow. So, in your general life, I'm seeing you a bit disturbed. You feel as if someone is rejecting you, or maybe whatever you are planning to do is not going as you planned. Whatever you are planning to do is just seemingly going in the opposite direction. Maybe you were trying to persuade someone, you were trying to convince someone for something, and they will not be accepting towards it. They will just reject the offer. I'm not talking about the love life, it's about the general life. Maybe you're trying to convince someone about something and they are not, or maybe you were trying something new and you're not getting that success you were expecting from this. Yeah, in the month of September you will realize you will have to do a reality check of what you want and what you expect. You will feel a little restless, like you are abandoned, maybe you are alone, you don't have anyone by your side. I think you need to meditate more, you need to be calm, you need to be peaceful. Just keep yourself sorted, okay? Any cluttering, any decluttering that is needed, please do it. I'm seeing a lot of clutter in your life, maybe at your desk, maybe at your space. Just declutter it. It also goes to like that too for your mind. Declutter your mind. Meditate. Do anything and everything that will help you stay calm and peaceful in the month of September, and that is more important. I'm seeing you multitasking, doing multiple things and at a time, and that will make you more restless. Plan everything out and do. I'm seeing you multitasking, so I would ask you to please plan everything out and do accordingly. Make notes, make a to-do list and just follow that. Don't multitask and overtrain yourself. I'm seeing you with a lot of stress and anxiety, and if you keep multitasking, keep doing 2 to 3 work at the same time, definitely you're going to stress yourself out. Yeah, I'm also seeing you will be like at your workspace or at your home, you're going to be very harsh with your words. Be very mindful of what you say to others. You might even hurt someone by, maybe someone will be considerate towards you and you will be just cutting them off with your harsh words. Don't do that. Yeah, I'm also seeing you might end up into an unexpected trip or travel. I would ask you to avoid any travels in the month of September. Yeah, you're going to be very aggressive in the month of September. Just keep calm. Let's move to your love reading. The person you're dealing with, I think you will feel as if the person you're dealing with, they are avoiding you. They are not being open to you, they are not expressing much. Maybe you are into a no contact zone with this person, they are not talking much. You will feel as if they are juggling 2 people at a time. You need to be more trust. You need to trust more. I think you will be trusting, mistrusting this person, and that will cause a lot of problems between you and your person. I told you, the state of mind is going to be your temperament is going to be very high this month. Yeah. Harsh words are going to be exchanged. Maybe you're going to argue with this person, with your loved ones. Don't do that. You will feel alone. You need to feel lively and happy with yourself. You don't need to be dependent on someone to feel happy. Let's clarify some cards. I'm seeing you dealing with someone who is, you both might have major ego issues. You might have ego clashes with this person. What is this Emperor card about for Leo? What is this Emperor card about? See, 5 of Pentacles again in the reading, twice in the reading. Definitely I am seeing your person might feel you are not paying attention to them, or maybe you feel as if this person is very egoistic and they are not paying you any attention, and that is going to cause you a lot of resentment and anger building up within you. What is this 5 of Pentacles about? 3 of Cups clarifying. I told you, you will think as if this person is dealing with someone, they are into a third party situation, and that is going to cause a lot of issues between you both. This might leave you feeling stuck and sad, and the other person also, because you will fight with them unnecessarily. What is this 4 of Cups about, please? 6 of Cups. I think you need to be more open towards your person, express more and expect a little bit. You are not trusting this person, you are not happy with the overall life, and you are blaming this person for that. You need to be happy with yourself, then you will be happy with them. 6 of Cups is a newfound love. Yeah, I think towards the end of the month, you will see this person will be more open to you. They will be expressing a lot more, and you both will exchange equally into this relationship. Okay, what is this Princess of Swords about for Leo? What is this Princess of Swords about, Sun? I think if you want to be happy, if you want to be on a good term with this person, just don't say anything and everything that comes to your mind. Filter your words, filter your thoughts. You don't need to say everything that comes to your mind. You need to see whether you are dealing properly with this person. You don't need to be harsh with anyone. Okay, what is this 2 of Pentacles about? See, Princess of Cups. I think you need to be communicating more with this person. You need to connect on an emotional level with this person. You need to understand that this person is not dealing with someone. It's just a misconception that you are having about this person. Yeah, it is about you, not about them. You need a lot of self-work. You need a lot of healing. Okay, Leo. Don't be too judgmental about anyone. Like anyone. If you want happiness, if you want someone back in your life, be a little open and be a little soft and be a little soft spoken to this person. Don't be harsh, rude and blame games and ego clashes and all that stuff. Okay, let's see what advices do we have from the oracle messages from you. What oracle messages do we have for Leo? What messages do we have for Leo? See, finding balance. Even in your general life, you might be trying to balance 2 things, and you will be unsuccessful in that. So try doing one thing at a time, one thing at a moment, and find balance. You don't need to be overwhelming. You don't need to be stressing all the time. You don't need to know everything about this person all the time. Yeah. So just find the right balance. Then you will find happiness with this person. See, protection. You're being guided. You're being protected by your spirit guides, by the fairies, by the angels. So let them work. Don't sabotage everything. Okay, let's see what advices do we have from the handwritten messages. for your overall life. What messages do we have for Leo? Oh my god, what is this? What messages do we have for Leo? Two more. What messages do we have for Leo? What messages do we have for Leo? The first message is new beginnings. You need to start over something, or maybe a new cycle is about to begin in your life. Abundance is coming. You just need to be open receiving it. Yeah, shifting. You need to shift your mindset, or maybe you're shifting to somewhere else. So major shifting is happening in your love life or your overall life. Yeah. So this is about Leo. If you like the reading, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.